مرحبا أهلا وسهلا أنا جهيد. Hi, how are you? I'm Jahid. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn Arabic with Jahid Institute of International Languages. In this lesson, we will learn about demonstrative pronouns in Arabic. Are you ready? Let's start. First of all, what are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are words like this, that, these, and those. Demonstrative pronouns is called in Arabic demonstrative nouns or asma'ul ishara. Demonstrative pronouns in Arabic has two forms. First, for near distance or asma'ul ishara lil qarib. Second, for far distance or asma'ul ishara lil ba'id. Now, let's look at the following examples. Demonstrative pronouns in Arabic is demonstrative nouns or asma'ul ishara or asma'ul isharate. Let's analyze it. Asma, asma'u. It means nouns. It uses instead of pronouns in Arabic. Al-isharate or ishara. It means demonstrative. As I said before, demonstrative pronouns in Arabic has two forms. One is for near distance and the other is for far distance. Also, demonstrative pronouns in Arabic vary according to gender, male and female, and number like singular, dual, and plural. هذا, هذا. It means this. For male, هذان or هذين, هذان or هذين, هذان or هذين. It means these. For two males, not more. It is مثنى. See here, مثنى. It means dual. هذه, هذه, هذه. It means this. For female, هاتان or هاتين, هاتان or هاتين, هاتان or هاتين. It means these for two females, not more. هؤلاء, هؤلاء, هؤلاء. It means these. هؤلاء. It is plural. It uses for both males and females. For non-human, instead of هؤلاء, uses هذه. ذلك or ذاك, ذلك or ذاك, ذلك or ذاك. It means that. For male, ذانك or ذينك, ذانك or ذينك, ذانك or ذينك. It means those. For two males, not more. تلك, تلك, تلك. It means that. For female, تانك or تينك, تانك or تينك. تانك or تينك. It means those for two females. أولئك. 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 It means those. It uses for both males and females. This letter is ذال. ذال. هنا or ها هنا. هنا or ها هنا. هنا or ها هنا. It means here. هناك or هنالك or ثم. هناك or هنالك or ثم. It means there. It uses for place. This letter is th or th. Let's repeat again. هذا. هذان or هذين. هذه. هاتان or هاتين. هؤلاء or هؤلاء. ذلك or ذلك. ذاك or ذاك. ذانك or ذانك. ذينك or ذينك. تلك or تلك. تانك or تانك. تينك or تينك. أولئك or أولئك. هنا or ها هنا. هناك or هناك. هنالك or هنالك. ثم or ثم. شكرا لكم. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.